So if you are not familiar with how to use track changes in Word, in Microsoft Word, here's a brief tutorial on what you need to do. I give a lot of feedback on my papers or on your papers as far as what changes I make, what revisions I suggest. In addition to comments, there are also changes that are recorded when I turn on track changes. The first thing you need to note is anything that is red and strike, has a line through it, has a strike through, that is something that is deleted. When you right click with your mouse, it should come up as a little drop down that says accept deletion or reject deletion. Now this is your choice, but I strongly suggest that you accept these changes unless you have a reason why you think it shouldn't be. But you only need to accept the changes and it will go ahead and clear up those changes for you right there. So the deleted thing will actually disappear. For something that I added, Dr. Pramila Turner in this case, instead of just the last name, I deleted the last name so you can see what you originally had. You want to accept that deletion, and then you want to accept what I added. So you would right click and it should say accept insertion. And everything should turn back to the gray text, normal text. So when I make changes, you want to be sure that you go through your entire document and right click and accept or reject whatever changes are made, whether it's deleting something or adding something. You will also see on the left hand side here a little line. This helps you know where changes were made. Sometimes really small changes are kind of hard to see. You see right here there's just a comma and something that was deleted here. Sometimes it's hard to see, but there should be a line here indicating that there was a change made, so you should know that there's something there that you need to look for in case you don't see it right away. By the time you have cleared through your changes, there should be no lines left here, and there should be no red or blue left in your text. The final thing that you want to note is if you have any comments on your papers, you can reply to comment, but I suggest deleting them. Taking a look at whatever comments are made, addressing those comments by whatever is noted there, whether it's changes you need to make or additions that you need to include. Once you've addressed those changes, delete those comments. By the time you are done making your final revisions, you should have a clean copy that has no sidebar comments and no lines on the left side, and of course no red or blue changes. So that's how to use track changes. It's an important function in the editing process, and of course if you have any questions you can always email me